In this video, we are going to look at how to copy and merge corridors. In my screen, I have a corridor. So if you click this corridor, you can see we have two regions, and the middle region, we are assuming that we have to fill with the same corridor assembly here. So what we do is we select the corridor, go to copy region. So we have to select the region to copy. I'll select this one. Then it is asking where do we need to copy this region. So since we have a region in the middle, I will go with this fill option. So I click fill and I'll select this area and click. So it will automatically fill it. So now you can see I have three regions. So I press escape at this stage. So I have three regions but with the same assembly. So if you do not have any separate targeting here, you can merge these three sections into one corridor region. So to do that, I'll select merge regions. I select this region and this region and press enter. So all these three regions now become one region. So it will become one corridor region. So that is how to copy and merge regions in Civil 3D corridors.